Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by defining your presentation purpose and audience in clear terms. Set a target length of 20 minutes and 10 slides maximum for focus. Create a simple outline with 3 main points and 1 takeaway per slide. Use a 16:9 aspect ratio and a standard font size of 28 points. Gather visuals including 2 high-quality images and 1 chart per topic. Save an editable copy and export a PDF backup before you start designing slides. Open PowerPoint and choose a blank template to implement this plan immediately. Apply a consistent color palette and use high contrast for legibility on screen. Limit text to 3 bullets per slide and use 1 sentence per bullet. Write each bullet with 10 to 12 words for readable speech pacing. Replace long lists with a single visual like a chart or icon set. Set slide transitions to none or simple fades to avoid distracting movement. Use speaker notes for details and keep slides as visual reminders only. Practice aloud using the slide notes and time each section for accuracy. Rehearse with a timer and aim for 1 minute per slide on average. Check equipment: projector, HDMI cable, spare adapter, and a clicker with batteries. Test your presentation on the actual display to confirm fonts and colors render. Prepare a 30-second intro and a 45-second conclusion for smooth transitions. Have a backup on USB and cloud with a file named Presentation Final, PPTX. Engage the audience with 1 question and invite interaction twice during the talk. End by summarizing 3 takeaways.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.